Have you ever heard sentences like these? I have a mountain of homework tonight. I have told you a million times. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Of course, these are not literal. No one really has a mountain of homework. No one actually says something a million times, and no one can really eat a horse. This kind of expression is called hyperbole. Hyperbole means an extreme exaggeration used to make an idea stronger or more dramatic. The pronunciation is hyperbole. Hyperbole. Grammatically, hyperbole is a noun. We use hyperbole very often in everyday language, literature, speeches, and storytelling to emphasize feelings, ideas, or situations in a powerful way. If this word was new to you, try making your own hyperbole and write it in the comment section below. I'd love to read them.